For the past 2 months, the fascist government, which is presently in power in AP state, had been harassing, hunting and haunting the YSRCP party cadre, mostly YSRCP social media activists. They are invoking section 111 of BNS. The BNS came into existence on 1/7/2024. And in the Constitution, Article 20, Class 3 says clearly, and umpteen number of the Honorable Supreme Court judgments say that whatever the offence I committed, by which time which law is in prevalent, that offence, under that act I am liable, not for any subsequent act that was brought into existence. Though these postings are supposed to have been, they themselves say that these postings were put by the social media group individuals prior to 1/7/2024, when BNS was not in existence, when IPC was in existence. Though that is the law, they are putting case against these people under BNS for the offences committed prior to the existence of BNS, which is bad in law, which is not acceptable in the law. That's what we brought to the notice of the Honorable Supreme Court. Secondly, all these activists were made accused basing on a confession statement of a co-accused while in custody. That is prohibited. Whatever is said by any accused while in custody is not admissible. So without any admissible evidence, they are booking the cases. Third, to book a case under 111, I should have 2 charge sheets prior to 10 years, within 10 years prior to me being booked in the case. So those are the parameters even to book a case under BNS. Secondly, BNS is not meant for the petty offences like putting posts in social media. It's not applicable for this. This BNS 111 was added to deal with a very serious offences like contract killing, extraction, bank frauds, financial scams. Only for that, this was brought into existence. But unfortunately, a government in AP is utilizing all these things against YSRCP activists.
So what are the charges basically which we leveled because you compared it with the BNS and
the charges is each and every, they now about 30 cases under BNS have been booked. Basing on that, some hundreds of accused were made accused. They say that sometime back before 2024, you put a posting. Now we are booking a case against you under BNS, just for putting a social media posting. If it is obscene, the law will take care. Not BNS, not BNS 111. If you feel that obscenity had been defined by the Honorable Supreme Court, if profanity is not obscene, abusing words is not obscene. That's what Honorable Supreme Court described. But even if somebody asks, you promised that you will give Ammavadi how many children you have will give Ammavadi. You are not given, but you are given liquor to XYZ. Then for which also they say offense. It is nothing but throttling the throat of democracy.
What will be the next hearing when the Supreme Court?
Supreme Court said that these are eligible for quashing. You go and file for quash. We are filing quash petitions before API Court.